Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Today, I want to share some valuable insights on how to fix a clogged water softener. Water softeners are essential appliances in our homes, but sometimes they can encounter issues that affect their performance, such as clogs. Don't worry, though. I'm here to help you troubleshoot and resolve this problem. When you start noticing a decline in the quality of your water, it could be a sign that your water softener needs some maintenance or repairs. One common issue is a clogged water softener, which can happen to even the best devices on the market. Luckily, most of the solutions I'll discuss today can be performed using items you already have at home, before assuming your water softener is clogged. It's important to rule out any other potential causes for its malfunction. The first step is to diagnose the problem accurately. There are two main types of water softener designs, those with separate tanks for resin beds and brine, and those with both components in a single tank. Understanding your water softener's regeneration process is key to diagnosing the issue correctly. If you purchased a water softener recently, chances are you have an automated system that monitors your water usage and regenerates when it reaches a specific threshold. On the other hand, if you have an older model, you'll need to program the regeneration process manually during installation, when your water softener is clogged. It's often due to a salt mass blocking the brine tank, preventing water from flowing properly. However, there could be other culprits, such as clogged drain pipes or the control valve. Monitoring your water softener's regeneration schedule can provide valuable insights into what's happening. Now, let's move on to the solutions to fix a clogged water softener. The most common type of clog is caused by salt buildup in the brine tank. To resolve this issue, you don't necessarily need to call a professional. You can do it yourself. Here's what you'll need: a broom or mop, a plastic container, a wet/dry vacuum, and around 2 gallons of hot water. Start by turning off the water supply to your water softener. Then, open the brine tank and observe any salt bridges formed at the bottom. To break these bridges, you can use the handle of a broom or find a long, sturdy object in your home. Tap the salt bridges until they break and collect the small chunks in a plastic container. Next, use the wet/dry vacuum to remove any remaining water from the bottom of the brine tank. Pour the hot water over the remaining salt to dissolve it further. Afterward, turn your water softener back on and let it rest for about 4 hours. Program a manual regeneration cycle for your tank, and once the process is complete, use the broom handle again to break any remaining salt bridges. You may need to repeat these steps several times to completely clear the clog. Finally, refill the brine tank with new salt pellets. If you're unsure about the amount, consult your user manual or reach out to the company that assisted with the installation. In some cases, clogged pipes can also be the source of the problem. If you notice that the water level in your brine tank is higher than usual, it's likely that the pipes attached to your water softener are clogged. To address this, clean the valve injector by removing it and inspecting the hole. Use a pin or needle to clear any blockage. Another potential issue is a clogged control valve, which can occur if your home's water has high iron levels. Check the brine tank for overflow, as this may indicate a clog in the control valve. If necessary, clean the control valve to restore your water softener's functionality. These solutions should be sufficient to fix most clogs in your water softener. However, if the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek expert assistance. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure the longevity of your water softener. By implementing a consistent maintenance schedule, your water softener can serve you well for years to come. I hope you found these insights helpful in resolving any clogs in your water softener. Remember, understanding the problem and taking the necessary steps to address it can save you time and money. Take care of your water softener, and it will take care of you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.